way you move ain't fair. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. Tonight, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tonight, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tonight.
Light Wall Acoustic! Kita mo to isang teksto. Kuya DJ, naka-register na ng Unli, pwede call na. Tapos na.
May winner na.
May winner na.
Nanalo si Noemi.
Sana kanina
Ano last time ni Noemi?
Unli.
Did we got the details of Noemi?
I think, mahirap yata talaga mag-register ng Unli ngayon, ano? I haven't tried.
Bago tumawag mag-register
So,
muna ng Unli.
Social ako, hindi ako nag-Unli. Wala kasi talaga akong pan-load ever since. Kaya kahit pa Unli, Aladdin. Okay, maraming salamat again sa ating bana.
Light Wall Acoustic.
February 15, don't
You
forget.
guys are really, really great. Galing.
Definitely. Bigyan natin ng 10 palakpak. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alam ka lang pagbilangin.
10. Mas maganda yun, di ba, bilang eh. Kita kits uli sa susunod na pang third nila. So,
Uy!
di ba?
Schedule natin
Schedule
yan.
na natin. Okay. 2029, no? Ilang taon na kaya tayo noong 2029, ano?
Grabe.
Kasi sabi natin, kantayin nyo kayo, kinanta nyo noong 2012. Hey, soul sister. Di ba? Ano na, medyo damatansa pero gumatang. Classic na yun, mga panahon na yun, Dre. Oo. Dahil electronic na naman yung tugtugan nun eh. Okay, so ulitin na lang natin saan po kayo tumutugtog again sa mga gusto kong malaman.
Kung medyo nabitin kayo, di ba? Yan. You can catch
kayo,
this, guys. Ngayon ba? Meron ba ngayon?
Meron kami tonight.
Baka nagmamadali na sila ba?
Hindi, okay lang. Sa Cafe Beluga kami every Fridays and Saturdays and every Sundays sa Sam's Pizza and every Mondays at Fuse.
Fridays and Saturdays,
Okay.
Cafe Beluga. Tama ba?
Sundays sa Sam's.
Sam's,
tapos,
Sunday.
Monday, Fuse.
So
And
after
to-
this, diretso na kayo ng Cafe Beluga.
Diretso na yan, no? Kung meron kayong mga magdadabu, magdadabu, dabog eh. Debut, 18th birthday. O kaya ikakasal.
Yeah.
Siyempre, pati na rin 40 days. Pati nga 9 days meron din.
Meron.
Meron talaga 9 days. Usually, ika-8 day eh. A day. Tsaka yung bago siya ilibing. May ganun. May uso na yun talaga. Oo.
Text them up.
Text them up.
Or call
Para
them.
sila po ang
0916
0916
79
Saulado no?
798, tama?
798?
Yun na.
0916-798-8723.
8723. Ayun.
Kailangan yun ng
Alright.
may kakanta ng hindi kita malilimutan habang yung karo lumalakad. Joke.
Marami tayo usapan natin.
Napanakon tuloy ako. And Light Wall Acoustic, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
And that's it for us. Do stand by for Vibe Sessions. That's gonna be next with DJ Aris.
All the while, I thought you were gonna say Viagra or something. Okay, Via. Okay,
Alright.
May song pa tayo, yung Vanity naman, para ma-play na, mapakinggan din nila yung isa sa mga record
Kasama
natin
kasi
ng
nila yung
Vanity.
Vanity on February 15. Don't forget.
Back-to-back
Define Love.
rumble sila.
Club V. Magsaysay Drive.
Yeah. So here's Vanity with Marry Your Daughter, recorded live mga 6 months ago no? Second set nila
time
nun
ago.
dito. Okay, bye-bye!
Bye.
Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. Seeing this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my everything, and all that I know is it would be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. 'Cause very soon I'm hoping that I can marry your daughter. turn